Derrick finally has a car worth mentioning. The Supra, garbage. Rosa, garbage. This guy, not garbage. The new, the more fun stuff. This, garbage. That, garbage. But this,
Johnny,
not garbage. Hater, dude. This guy just got this car like 2 days ago. Already got wheels for it, a full interior detail, and more parts, straight from Mexico.
We're back. First thing I gotta figure out is how to put these lights in. What the f? Did someone just stuff with tissue? Nasty.
I think that's a buffer, dude. I think without it, now your headlight's loose.
The whole car comes apart.
Cause you took the tissue out. I don't think Derrick knows how to take out the headlight.
Need I remind you, I don't work on cars. If you're vlogging, this is gonna be a bad episode. It's gonna be the whole episode of me like...
That's just the head movement all episode.
Just me for the rest of the episode. I don't even know where to start. Like, look. There's no screws anywhere. It attaches with a clip. And it's got this like what does that do? So I think I have to take the headlight out, and then this just like kind of clips in, I guess.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest. This headlight design is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so crazy up in here.
You know what would be wild? If they require you to take off a whole fender just to get the headlight off.
Don't say that. That's something like Dodge would do, so don't say that. Or worse, Audi, you gotta pull the motor to do the timing belt.
So, ever since I started working here, Derrick's been kind of like a mentor. And one of the things he advised was to not get a super unique car, especially if you're trying to be different like that guy likes to be.
That's not what I said.
He loves to be different. You should probably have a lot more experience under your belt before you get a really unique car.
Yes, I did say that.
Cannot find out how to freaking remove this headlight. There is no write-ups on this.
Hard, bro.
It can't be, but there is zero write-ups on this guy.
God, it's not moving at all.
Everything you kind of have to figure out on the spot.
Why would they put that?
Dude, that's not even a bolt. I looked at it. That thing is like molded on, dude.
No, but the other side is a nut, I think.
Oh, word?
That's so dumb. Why would you do that?
See? See what I say?
Why would you do that?
You gotta take off the whole fender to get this headlight off.
No. No, I don't believe you. Fuck that.
What if there's something underneath? Like, we have to take off this grill. So take off this guy, take off this guy.
I'm gonna YouTube search this.
Watch. Only thing that comes up for these Monteros is a Montero Sport, which is apparently very different from what this guy got. Could've just got a Jeep, dude.
Why would I want a Jeep? Please, what the fucking, they always break down. I'm gonna eat my words, this is gonna break down. All right, there isn't too much on how to work on these cars, but it's only because I'm bad at working on cars. Like, anyone else would have figured this out by now.
We don't work on cars here, but we work on cars.
I don't work on cars. Oh my God, this guy has the fender off. No, you didn't do that. No, I don't believe it. Maybe you just had the fender off or something. Oh my God.
Please let this No, not yet. It's still too early to celebrate. Okay, let's see if it goes up. Good, remember, there's still clips though, so it's still gonna be pretty hard. Oh baby. Oh, that's the one. Look. Shit budges. Oh, that's the man's, dude.
I mean, yeah, it does the budge, but
It's just like how to get to these clips.
right. So we got
that boy out. And I feel like that's just there to hold this guy in place when it's packaged.
You really think so? This is a pretty complex looking spring just for packaging purposes.
That's true.
So this side will just slide out.
It's just this guy right here.
Okay.
Literally, it's just connectors and those two guys.
Should have got a Toyota. What was I thinking? Wait, does this spring, okay, there is a spring on it. Does this spring release?
Hey, can you figure this out? He
I
can't figure out
cannot
how
get the corner light off.
he can't get this headlight
We have
off.
Simon, ASC Master Tech stepping in.
Iman, if you guys didn't know, is actually an off-road technician. He knows all
Give you
things.
a rundown on what I did so far. I removed 2 nuts that didn't need to be removed. Then I took this nut off.
2 nuts.
And now the headlight is loosey-goosey. Or not the headlight.
The corner light. Yeah, push that clip. Push it. Push it.
Oh shit.
Let's break this Montero,
Shit, it went
bro.
in.
See his clips? We can see it right here.
Shit. How did it go inwards?
Pop that.
Alright, here we go.
Let's break this Montero, bro.
Well, if we break it, we have another one.
But you break the mounting tabs. Why is this pushed in now? Oh, it's always pushed in.
Heyo!
Hey!
This is so hard.
Okay, so now I think that's how you access the whole headlight, right? Simon, very reliable. He's not only always here, he never gets sick, and he knows things.
Dang, look at that.
Whoa, what the
Different generation? No, it's the same generation.
No, that's for the sport, bro.
No, it's not. Here, just use this bulb in there.
Like, no, it's not. But then that's
What is this thing at?
the other
This one
side.
doesn't have the top one.
Now it
How about
does.
we plug it in, I turn on the turn signal, and I see which one.
Oh, there's a second connector?
Is there a second connector in there?
No.
No.
The new one has 2 bulbs.
Yeah.
The old one has 1.
I'm pretty sure Dirk got a sport.
Signals.
Turn signal.
Okay. So we can go 2 ways.
You go
can have it here. Oh, we got the top and the bottom. You want the top or do you want the bottom?
I'm
more of a top guy.
You're on top? You like being on top?
Yeah. You're on top of shit.
I'm pretty lazy. I like being on bottom.
You're on top of shit.
So why don't-
It gets covered in water.
Splice it. Wire it up.
Sick.
Wow. Videos brought to you by Chillin'. Hit us up for advertisements.
Yo, chillin', please sponsor us. We drink there a lot. That's pretty sick, dude.
Looking pretty clean.
Actually, to be completely honest, I think I like the amber.
Fuck out of here. Ain't nobody like ambers.
Look at it, dude. It's pretty cool. Oh, literally, that's all you gotta do to take out the corner light. One bolt right here.
Wait, what the? Why did my fender light just pop out?
Yo, that's so
Yo.
useful. See, when you want to change both at the same time.
They're connected together.
One bolt and pry, and it should fly out.
I knew Montero wouldn't do me dirty like that.
Take out the whole fender.
We're done.
Derrick always complicates things.
Oh, it's on the floor.
Oh shoot, dude.
I thought we were just gonna be down in the. No!
That is inside the bumper somewhere.
Down a nut.